I have right here the Ville Camp Table. I'm going to show you a little bit about it. Alright, we're going to start now. We're going to get out the base, which is this right here, okay? And this base is adjustable. We're going to open it up as it folds up, like so. Okay, now we got it up. We're going to set her right here, like this, folding portable camp table. And here these little notches match up with these little notches here. You lock this on, and then you lock this on. Right here. Okay, now the rest of it is all right here. And then you put it together like this. See that little snap there? And then there's one right there. And then that top that I showed you snaps in on each side to this. This table only weighs 5.3 pounds. It's collapsible. It's good for camping. It's good for outdoor activities. It's good for tailgating, even taking to the beach, whatever, even for amateur radio. If this table will support up to 130 pounds, and there's an adjustment right there where that orange handle is on all four legs to adjust the height of this table. It's even good for picnics, anything you, like I said, want to use it for. Now, I have a chair that goes with it. I don't have it out right now, but I have a chair that goes with it that you can put together. It's a portable chair as well, and it's tall enough. This is tall enough. This table is. When you sit down in that chair, you can put your legs underneath it. Unless you're just super tall, like 6'4" or something like that, then you should be able to sit underneath this table. And I have had my radio, a battery, and everything on here, even something to log with on this little table. The dimensions are 20.5 is the depth and 20.5 is the width, times 24 inches high, or by 24 inches high. And the weight is 2.4 kilograms. I don't know how much that is in pounds, but anyway, you can do the conversion. But it will hold a maximum of 130 pounds. You can put kitchen utensils on it, whatever you want to use it for if you're out camping. I wanted to come over here today and show you this table, and I really like this little table. I think it's a nice looking little table. I've used it. It's aluminum, it's portable, really very nice. I got it for Christmas, and like I said, I've used it a couple times. And another nice thing about it is it comes with this bag right here, and it has handles on it and everything, and it's great for carrying it. It makes it so easy to carry. For your husband is 5'11" and a half, almost 6 foot tall, and he got underneath this table just fine. He didn't have any problem at all getting underneath it. He is 5'11" and a half, like I said. He got his legs underneath it. So if you're not too tall, if you're, probably not over 6 foot, 6'1", you could probably do this. Some of you may not like the fact that the chair sits a little bit lower. Whoops, I pulled that off. So a little bit lower, like this, but it's perfect for this table. And this had really good reviews, my husband said, and the chair did as well. And this chair is nice. It is very comfortable. Anyway, I have this. I got this for Christmas, and I kind of wanted a table because I did a radar rally in November, and I was on our picnic tables at the showgrounds, and then I went to move, and I didn't have a table, so I found a trash barrel, clean trash barrel, by the way, flipped it upside down, plastic barrel, and put my radio and battery on there, and stood up the last contacts I made, my second spot. You're supposed to make 5 and move, and then 5 more and move. And this table solves the problem.